Hello, and welcome to my mukbang. A pizza plate for my pizza. It's too hot to eat. Stop making noise. They put too much garlic on it, but other than that, it's good.
Have you ever?
Are you cool with being in my mukbang because I'm filming?
No.
Well, it's too late.
But I don't want.
It's not like you're not on YouTube anyway.
Better leave my link in the description.
You don't even leave my link in the description.
Yeah, you did. You choked me until I did.
I don't know what you mean. And we're just gonna go for some egg. We have some chili oil with soy sauce and onion that's been marinating since yesterday.
Oh wait, what do I?
Feel me cooking the egg.
What do I press?
I'm already recording.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're just gonna edit? Yeah, the editing. You can see my face.
See your face right now.
Alright, let's go.
Come over here.
Wait, is this still enough?
Probably not. Don't touch that beginning part because then you're gonna switch the focus like you already did. Okay. Olive oil. I'm in my pajamas. This is my worst form, so you're welcome. You fill the top with way too much oil because it's delicious. Just gonna wait for it to heat up because I like for it to like drop in and then immediately start cooking. I'm gonna grab some garlic salt, crushed pepper, and seaweed flakes. Rice seasoning. And I didn't turn the stove off. That's probably why it's not heating up. Okay. Ow! So, oh my, that smells scary. Okay, so we're just gonna take just a little bit. I also didn't let the yolk cook all the way because I like when you cut into it and it just sort of runs all over the rice. This is my favorite thing to eat for breakfast or literally any time of the day. I think that's enough. And then we're just gonna go in with some chili flakes. Just, you know, really ensure the diarrhea, you know? I'm actually not going to film myself eating this because I look disgusting. So, you're welcome, bye. Go to your room. Go to your room.